Hi guys, today I want to touch bases on these customized reports. I did not realize that this is something everybody wants to take a look at it, like with my last video where we did beginning header customization of a Word type report. So I started to dive deeper into this stuff, and I wanted to kind of start create a little introduction to customized report templates. So in the Business Center, you have a whole bunch of predefined reports, right, as we can see right here on the right hand side. But there is two different reports. One is the Word report, which comes up as a DOCX, basically Word document. It's Microsoft Word version 2010 or later is required to kind of create this template or edit. And then we have something called RDLC. This is a client report definition format, .rdlc. And RDLC editing tool is required to make edits to the report template in this format. You cannot use the cloud version of Microsoft Word to create or edit those templates. When creating a report in either format, you must select the source type of your data, as we did in the other day, to include in the report. And the report template you want to use to format it. So last video, which I'm gonna post somewhere, here is the link, hopefully. We have edited a custom docx template for Earthworks, and we have changed the header to include nice logo and address. So here is this report we have created the other day. So I added my custom logo with my address. I can add a website and everything. So for the next few videos, I'm gonna be going over the creating the more and more the templates, and we're gonna definitely take a look at that RDLC reports. There is way more of them over here. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you next one.